Good morning, good morning. Until now, nobody even touched this one.
Apa mau dibagi dulu? Lagi satu
Atau mau dibagi?
Hi guys, today is the 21st day. Officially 21st day, babe, the diet.
Pero still continue.
Still continue.
The challenge, yeah, still
The
continue.
challenge.
Oh, is it?
We won't stop.
What did
But
you want?
we cut. We replace one meal. Meal.
That's
That's
supposed to.
later. This mall has everything.
I guess next.
Grand Indo, very sick. Correct. Also, I said.
Hi guys, so I got all these. Hello, I went to this shop here in Indonesia and I got a skirt, few colors, and I've been dreaming to get an aloe items, and finally today I got this one too, and a nice skirt too, and also a nice hoodie jacket. So that's all I got today. Thanks guys. Yeah, so we are here going to watch the concert, and look what we are doing. Doing great. Yeah. Looks so weird, but it's okay. Stella. Very good, very good.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake.
Oh my God. Brian McKnight, everyone. Thank you. You know, I did a very terrible version of this next song, but the audience was just helping me out like crazy. Should we try it? Let's try it. Okay. Here we go. The proper way.
Come on.
2, 3, after the love is gone.
Morning everyone. Today is Sunday. And tomorrow we are going back to Kuala Lumpur.
Yesterday watched Brian McKnight.
And I'm so good last night kasi talagang kahit late na, shake lang.
Shake.
May Brian McKnight.
Brian McKnight เล่นชีเป็นหมอ
That is Brian McKnight. Oh.
When I arrived around this area, not there, but when I arrived, she's been going. Has been the cow or something, but she was very good for machine. And she says your lung is not, so you're having drop offs. You can see that. So she put me on some buses. We are very blessed and thankful because our woman is not working.
Ay, so cute. Oh, look at this. Dong, nawa dong. Ka-cute. Woohoo! Wow, so cute.
You ask them how long and how far it's travel.
She travel
This cat
everywhere.
travels. The ticket is more
Cairns,
expensive than the people.
Melbourne, Jakarta.
To bring her here, it cost us 4,000. Morning. Hello, Del.
Nakita yung mga nauna.
Asuka. Andre, finishing. Oyo. Hello everyone. So today is the 23rd. Tapos na yung 21 days diet namin. And I just came out from the shop here in Jakarta. So I bought aloe, white jacket and white skirt. But I didn't get the paper bag kasi mahal yung paper bag. At saka hindi ko naman yung gagamitin. So I'm going back to the hotel right now, walking. Doing good, doing good. Hello everyone, I'm in Jakarta, Indonesia.
A bit bitter.
Bitter ya?
Musang King Durian. Wow.
Godel. Hello everybody, good morning. So we are back finally from Indonesia, Jakarta. And doon ay kumain kami, but I only replaced 1 meal per day. So meaning nag-shake ako for 2 meals and then yung isang meal is shake lang. And now we have to get back. And kailangan natin maging disiplina. So, disiplina is the key talaga. So, she's here. So, everyone. So, I'm going to have this one. Let's get this one. Ayan na. Let's go. Woo! Have eyes. Ayan. And, meron akong yung sa akin. So, let's add a bit of water. Baby, yes, this is so cute. Alright guys, so halfway. Mamaya na lang ako magchika-chika sa inyo guys kasi I have a lot of questions to answer from my channel, and I'll do it soon. But for now, I'm so busy because we just got back from Jakarta, Indonesia. Let's go. Hello, everyone. Tapos ko lang maglaro ng badminton, and then nakapagpapawis na tayo. Kasi ayun nga, galing kami sa Jakarta, Indonesia para magbakasyon. Then nakakain, but hindi naman sobra-sobra. So now, go back to the program. And ganina is chocolate yung inano natin. So ngayon ay, let's go for latte. Naglagay na din pala ako ng ice sa aking. So ngayon ay nagpaplano ako na actually mag meal prep tayo. Bumili na ako ng isang, I don't know, siguro mga 1 kilo plus na baboy na all lean meat. So, pinapa-ground ko siya. So, gawin natin siyang giniling na, tapos gawin nating patty. But, pwede natin kumain ng brown rice ngayon. But yung isa, 1 cup lang ang ating budget. Every day. So, pwede na tayo. At saka, maggagawa din ako ng mga pagkain or mga ulam. More on protein tayo na pwede nating lutuin. At pwede ninyong sundan kung gusto ninyo. Siyempre, doon tayo sa realistic. Hindi masyadong mahal. Pero, of course naman, minsan talaga kasi, pag talagang gusto mo ng healthy, yun yung mga mahal talaga na bilihin. So, ngayon nag-iisip pa ako kung ano yung bibilhin at lutuin natin para sa ating meal prep. Siguro mga next week pwede na siya. Pwede na akong, pero this week, kailangan ko pa talagang mag-liquid muna kami ni Asoka dahil nga sa sobrang happy-happy doon sa Jakarta. So, balik program. But next week, pwede na tayong kumain at kailangan talaga nating mag-prepare. And yun nga, excited ako sa lulutuin natin soon. Hello sa inyo lahat. Good noon. Mga 12 na dito. 12 noon. Or 1 p.m. Ay! It's 1:45. Cheers everyone. Let's eat. Marami pa tayong lalabhan kasi yung mga damit namin na ginamit sa Jakarta, kailangan kong labhan using my hand. Kasi ako ilagay sa washing machine. Kasi pag, ewan ko ba, minsan talaga may mga damit na talagang ayaw kong labhan sa washing machine kasi parang wala akong trust. Kung hindi, baka masira. At, ewan ko, siguro psychologically, yun talaga yung nasa isip ko na kaagad. But, if labhan ng manual, parang very satisfying kasi. So, medyo siguro maglalaba ako ng mga 25 pieces. At, kasi mainit. So, kapag ibilad ko siya ngayon, siguro, matutuyo na ito mga 5 p.m. unless umulan. Kasi dito, everyday talaga umulan. Napakainit sa noon time, but afternoon, evening umulan. So, just after walking, how many? Oh my God. Ulo. Wow. 1 hour. Ayo. Wow, double unders. Wow, Hokkien me gone now. Today only gone Radila. Hello everyone. I am back in the gym. I work out twice every day. And dahil doon sa Jakarta, hindi kami nakapag-workout. No workout whatsoever. Ay, nag-enjoy lang sa kain at bakasyon. So now it's payback time here at the gym. Morning. Done with my badminton game. So yun, mas maganda kasi gusto ko talaga maglaro ng badminton, but in the gym ay effort kasi it's not something that you really like to do, but it's okay. Fight. Let's go. By the way, so today is the 24th day. Tapos na yung 21 challenge. And I was so good dahil kumain ako ng rice yesterday lang sa 23rd namin. It's okay. Whew. Nakayanan din. Hello everybody. Tapos nang mag-sauna. Then ngayon, ay nakapag-bihis na ako. At pupuntahan muna namin yung unit ng aking kaibigan dito sa Hilton. Tsaka ng kanyang asawa. Kasi magta-transfer sa bago this Thursday, and also we are going to go back and make a shake, and that's all for today. Hi, bawi. Then pag may time, hello, kumusta kayo guys? Sana ay okay kayo lahat.
FX again lah.
Okay. FX is the only thing that's going to sell in the really premium market.
Okay.
You know, anything that you can straight away put a